Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the cabin air filter, first open the hood. The cabin air filter is located here. There are 3 locking pins securing the panel. Rotate the 3 locking clips counterclockwise to unlock them. Lift the panel off of the cowling. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1046C filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the panel. Rotate and lock the securing pins. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.